them for lunch. All right. So, oh, they open yet?
Four. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
Good. Table for four.
Yep. Carmie, hello, Carmie. How are you? How are you, Jayden?
Yeah.
Good to see you. So we're gonna have a good lunch. Yeah, Jayden.
More water, sir.
Okay, now we cheers. Okay.
In
Cheer
a
for
minute, you're
Jayden.
gonna
Yep.
have a
Yep.
bar or something on your,
Yeah.
on your ranking.
Come on,
your
cheer for
soda.
Jayden. The water.
Yep. Cheers
Close-
to a good journey.
Good, Jayden, and Jayden can be successful about whatever he want to do.
Mm-hmm.
Jayden can be the man. Jayden can be so uniform and so cute. And Carmie, what you want to do after that? Don't know yet. Don't know yet.
Whatever you do, make sure that it's something that you like to do. That's the key to life. Me and your
Okay.
grandma, since y'all been
You know.
before y'all was born,
Kid come to
know.
eat lunch
You all know
with Thailand restaurant.
we've always
Cheers.
did what we wanted to do. You know, our businesses and stuff. That's what we wanted. You know, we made the choice to do that, and we had fun doing it. We weren't saying I'm gonna take a chance and just do something that I have more control over, right? And so that's how. I'm trying to think. I had to step in. I don't think you guys remember that cargo van I had, the white cargo van, before I had the pickup truck. But anyway,
Excuse me, spring roll.
yep. One here and
Okay.
Definitely a lot.
Spring roll or just one spring roll? Papaya salad? Oh, yes.
Indian festival in DC, and the Chinese lady was selling all these bags. She was trying to get rid of all these bags. It was like the end of the festival. Something like
Good
$3-4
papaya.
a piece of bags. And grandma, right? Thank you.
Wow, come on, look at that.
See, you control your life. Know that. Your mind is very powerful. You control what you want to do. So you don't wait till somebody try to tell you something.
Yep, like
That's
that.
the way it works. Because if you don't, then somebody else is going to try to control you and tell you what to do. So if you don't want that, then you got to be like, hey,
Wow,
this is
look at
what I want
this.
to do. You go to the plan and say, this is what I'm going to do. And then and have them support. So that's you have to be ahead
Oh, you order
of
for
the
food.
game. Yeah.
Wow, there's a lot of good food here.
Yeah.
Ooh, have a good lunch with Jayden and Carmie.
Tell you what to do. You
Yep.
do it before anybody can get it. Doing the thing that makes you happy. It's exciting. It makes you
Big city, like when I visited New York, I really liked it.
like New York.
Yeah, but I don't like really like
Cool
the,
city.
I like Manhattan, but I don't like the city part. I like Harlem, like
Some vegetables and don't eat a lot of meat or stuff. You avoid all of that type of stuff and keep working out, doing exercise. You don't got to be super big, but as long as you're doing like your push-ups, you walking, keeping yourself in shape. A lot of people my age, they don't look like me, but it's because of how I eat. Most people overweight. I'm still slim like I was in high school.
you always like this.
No, it's yeah, right there. It's important. Now, if you decide that it ain't for you, that's fine. But at least I can say that I did put you on to that, and then I'm gonna give you another one here.
You see him later.
This guy right here. Him. Yeah.
Okay, bye. All right.
He was kind
Or Don't go nowhere.
I'm not.